Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Alex, and for today, maglalaro tayo ng Superstar JYP Nation. And iko-collect natin yung Yuju's rewards natin since kakatapos lang nitong um, isa nilang or yung mission 2 nila. So ito yung mga rewards na nakuha ko. So merong wallpaper selector, profile selector, as well as yung limited theme card selector which is A and R. So, ang napili kong kukumpletuhin na grade or na theme which is ITZY, which is itong theme nila. So, ngayon, kunin na natin si Lia muna. So, yung name ng theme na napili ko is Domino. So, kunin muna natin si Lia for the A card. And then, for the R card, we're gonna choose Yeji para kompleto na sila. So, napili ko yung card na to since meron ako nung existing 3 other members na cards. Although, hindi mababa pa lang, pero papataasin pa natin yan. So, let's get it. Sobrang ganda, sobrang ganda. So, kaya ako rin napila. So, kompleto na siya. And then, meron pa tayong wallpaper selector as well as yung profile selector. So, una muna is yung wallpaper. So, ngayon, currently, ang aking wallpaper is si Nayeon. So, ngayon, papalitan natin si Bangchan. Magpapalitan tayo ng theme. As well as yung profile selector, si Bangchan din kukunin natin. And after maraming pili, ito yung napili ko. Maraming time na pagpili. So, ayan. Currently, si Nayeon yung theme natin. Ngayon, papalitan na natin siya. Si Bangchan naman, it's time for him to shine. So, ayan. I-activate na natin si Bangchan. I-activate na natin siya para lumabas siya dun sa lobby as well as i-choose natin siya as our favorite wallpaper. And then, papalitan din natin si profile picture. So, palitan natin yung profile picture. There. Ngayon, si Nayeon, diba? Papalitan na natin siya. Yan. So, as you can see, dalawa palang profile selector ko. And then, ngayon, papalitan din natin yung favorite theme as well as favorite card. So, syempre, ang favorite theme is ito, which is current nilang latest, which is Ice Lock. Dun sa dun sa collab nila ni Charlie Puth. So, ang ating favorite card is syempre si Bangchan from this same set. So, ayun. Sobrang happy ako na nakompleto ko na siya. And as you can see, sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda. Lalo na with its limited edition R design. Sobrang ganda. And this is our final profile for now. Yay! I hope you enjoy this and please let me know your thoughts below. Bye-bye! See you!